What's up, YouTube? It's your favorite math teacher, Mr. Stevener, coming at you with another video here. With that in mind, guys, last video up here, watch that eye, that was addition of integers. Today, we're going to take a look at a subtraction of integers, which is dealing all with negative numbers. Okay? Of course, there's some positive numbers thrown in there, but really it's what happens when negatives get involved. There are three things to learn, guys. Uno, dos, tres. Three. First, what happens when there's a negative then a positive. Second, what happens when there's a positive then a negative. And third, negative and a negative. Keep in mind, it literally goes from easy, medium to hard. So stick with me with this whole video so you guys can get that tricky part of negative and a negative. All right? Before you can move on, before you do any learning, hit that like button, give me that thumbs up, right? Also, subscription button, right? That way I can make videos just for you guys. All right? Okay, with that in mind, got myself a number line. Now let's get started by bringing out good old Tomikin. Right, Tommy?
My name's not Tomikin.
It's not Tomikin. What is it?
It's Tommy. You know that. Oh my goodness. Ow. Okay, here we go. Whoa! Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Hey.
What'd you do with my pen? Did you eat my pen again?
No, I didn't. Yeah, I had it. I got it for you. That's right there.
Oh, you got it for me. I appreciate you.
Oh, yeah, you're welcome. Sure.
So we're going to get started, Tommy, on negative numbers,
Oh, man.
but subtracting them. Remember how we talked about addition of them?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, yeah, the number line and the walking. Yeah, I got it.
Okay, good. So we're going to work on subtraction. But this one's going to be a little bit different. So we're going to have something like -4, and we're going to have a subtraction sign. We're starting with what happens when you have a negative, take away a positive, okay? Because this is an easy way to learn it, okay?
Oh, okay, go ahead. Sure.
So remember, this number here always tells me where do I start on my number line. I'm going to show you with number line, and then I'll give you your trick, okay, Tommy?
Okay, go ahead. Sure, that sounds so good. Yeah.
Okay, all right, so -4 is where I'm going to start, that guy right there.
Why'd you make the noise?
I don't know why I made the noise. So that's where you start. This number, or excuse me, this symbol right here, that subtraction, tells me which direction to look. If you remember, when it's addition, you look to the right. With subtraction, you look to the left. That's really important, right? It gives us an idea of how we're standing, so we're walking on the number line, right? It's kind of like, what side of the street are you walking on, so to speak, right? Do I look to the left? Do I look to the right? What do I do? You with me?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, so this next number right here, if it's a positive number, a positive means it's going, we walk forward, okay? A negative number means we walk backwards, all right? With that in mind, the reason I tell you that, this is so important, right? Which direction we're looking, because if we're looking the wrong way and walk backwards, we could run into something we don't want to run into.
Yeah, that would kind of hurt.
It would kind of hurt. So tune in, we got this forward part, right? So I'm looking this direction. So my forward for this guy is this way, right? To the left. If I was looking forward this way, my forward would be towards the positive numbers. So it's really important which way you are looking, okay? So subtraction, facing to the left, right? Positive number right here. So I go forward 5 spaces. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I end up at -9. So if you're using a number line, that's how that would work. And I don't know why I put an equal sign.
I know, that's silly.
Yeah, so it's a -9. So -4 take away 5 is -9. Here's my trick for you, Tommy. Here's my trick for you guys. Tune in, and if you like this trick, there's more coming. All right, so with that in mind, you ready?
Yeah, go.
Oh, sorry. So the trick to this is really when you have a negative, take away a positive, you're always really just going to add the numbers and keep it negative.
Always?
Yeah, look, -4 take away 5 equals -9. If I did another one like -3 take away, we'll call another positive number like 7. -3 take away 7, really, it's just -10. Because the secret is I just add them and keep it negative.
No, wait, that's kind of cool.
It is kind of cool, right? The way you would look at this in like a real life problem is you owe somebody $3, right? And they take $7 more. Well, how much do you owe them?
Oh, I owe them $10. I get it, but I don't want to owe them money. I don't want to.
Okay, then don't owe them money.
I don't want to.
Okay, so then don't borrow money. Get your own money.
Yeah, get your own money.
Okay. Anyway, so that is the first one. Again, that's easy. That's the trick. If you have a negative then a positive, you just add them and keep it negative, really. That's if subtraction, right? That's how it works. Next one is a little bit trickier. Okay, this is what happens when you have a positive and then a negative.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
So let's do 5, take away a -3. Okay, so this is tricky. So I'm going to show you with a number line, and then I'm going to teach you the trick. You with me?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so here's how this is going to work. All right, I'm going to start at the 5, like always. Remember, this tells me where to start. Start.
Start.
Exactly. So this is my character, right? Which way, Tommy, did that subtraction tell me I need to look?
You look to the left. Over there.
Over there, to the left. There you go. That's the way I'm looking. Okay. Now, a negative number tells me to walk which way?
Not forward.
Not forward. So that's basically backwards, right? So this is where it's different. My character is not going to walk towards the negative numbers because I'm looking towards the negative numbers. I need to walk backwards. So 1, 2, 3. That's why it's really important which way your character's facing. You with me?
Yeah, I got it. That's so cool.
So with that in mind, that means 5 take away a -3 is really 8.
Oh, wow, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, that is kind of cool, huh?
Yeah,
You ready for the trick?
yeah, I think so.
What's really tricky about this one, guys, is I call it the lazy mathematician. Okay, because really, if you have something like this, it almost looks like this part right here. They tried to make an addition sign and didn't know how.
What do you mean?
Because watch it, I can just go, and doesn't that kind of look like an addition sign?
Oh yeah.
And look, it's 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. The same answer we got here. That's my trick for this one.
Oh man, that's kind of cool. Does it always work?
It does always work. So give me a number.
9.
Okay, so 9. That's my positive, right? Remember, if it's a positive, this works as my trick for a positive. Take away, give me a negative number.
-6.
-6. Okay? So the trick is, all I'm going to do is pretend that, oh, this was actually a positive button. They tried to. So 9, take away a -6 is actually just 9 plus 6, which is 15.
Oh my goodness, that's so cool.
That is kind of cool, right? The reason I called this medium tricky is because sometimes it's hard to remember. But again, if you don't know, toss in a number line. It's always easy to create your own number line. Walk it out.
Yeah, walk it out, walk it out. Yeah, walk it out.
Are you dancing?
No, I'm walking it out. Yeah.
Okay, stop. You're embarrassing me. This last one's tricky, so I need you to focus. Tune in, guys, because this last one is the hard one. So, what happens when you have a negative? Take away another negative. Okay, so I'm going to show you on a number line and then show you the trick for this one. Are you with me? There actually is a couple tricks because this is like the hardest one.
Okay, go ahead.
So, really the trick is use a number line. Just saying. So, I'm going to start at -7. That's where my character starts because that's my first number. Okay? That guy right there. This tells me look to the left. So, I'm going to look to the left. Right? This negative number means walk backwards. Okay? So, I'm going to walk backwards 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, -7, take away a -8 is actually a +1.
Wait, that's kind of weird.
That is a little bit weird. Okay? So, trying to explain this in a real life situation, we'll use money. I'll try to give you an example. See if you can bear with me, okay?
Okay, yeah, go ahead.
So, we'll say you owed somebody $7, right?
Yeah.
But they decided to take away the fact that you owed them $8.
Wait, look, I only owe them 7.
I know. So now, really, you have an extra dollar because they took away what you owe. It's tricky. Let's try it a different way.
This is hard.
This is hard. That's why this one at the very beginning I said is a tricky one because you might even get something like this, Tommy, where it's still will go -5, take away a -3. You with me?
Yeah, go ahead.
So notice this one came out to a positive, right? This one, we'll see if it comes out to a positive as well. Check it out. So my character is going to start on the -5. So here we go. Here's my character. It's subtraction. So I'm looking to the left, right? It's a negative number, so I'm walking backwards. 1, 2, 3, Notice this time, I end up at -2.
Oh, man. Oh, this one's hard.
This one's hard. So the trick for this, there's kind of some clues that you have to figure out. So bear with me. Okay, tune in because this can be tricky, but it's a good clue. Okay? So if this first negative number here is technically it's a smaller number, but we'll call it a bigger negative than this, okay? All you're going to do is subtract them and it stays negative. So this is 5 take away 3, -2. Even if it was something really big like -47 take away a -37. All right? Keep in mind, this number is bigger.
Yeah.
So the trick is you just subtract them but keep it negative. So 47 take away 37, that's 10. So that's -10. Okay? That's if this number is bigger.
Oh, okay.
But on the flip side, if the second number is bigger, and when I say bigger, guys, I'm just talking bigger absolute value, because in reality, it's a smaller number because it's more negative, right? -10 way over here is a lot smaller than -3, right? Think about it this way. Would you rather owe somebody $10 or $3?
Oh, yeah, I get it. Yeah, 3, because it's not as much.
Exactly. So with that in mind, what this was an example right here of what happens when the first number is bigger. I want to show you what happens when the second number is bigger and the kind of the trick with that. So we're going to go -10 take away a -20. All right. So the trick to this is what you're going to do is you're just going to kind of flip these. And I'm not saying flip them because really in subtraction, you can't flip them. It's not the way it works. Okay. So you can't just flip them and think it's going to change the problem. I'm just saying mentally, you have to think, okay, I'm going to put 20 first. I'm going to ask, what is 20 take away 10? You with me?
Yeah.
Okay, so 20 take away 10 is how much?
10?
Exactly. So with this in mind, this is really -10 take away -20. So I'm going to switch it and keep it positive. So 20 take away 10 is 10.
You lost me.
Okay, let's try. Let's try it again. I told you this is hard. So tune in. Let's try another one. Like just to see. We'll get it. We'll get it. Hey, YouTube, stick with me. We'll get it.
Yeah, you'll get it. Just work hard. You'll get it.
They'll get it. All right. So here we go. With that in mind, you ready, Tommy?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right. So if the first number is bigger, let's try -9. Or sorry, second number is bigger. Take away a -12. All right. You with me?
Yeah, go ahead.
So you have a couple tricks. You can add it to the number line. All right. Or you know that this number right here is a bigger number. It's absolute value. So I'm just going to pretend that 12 was first, and I'm going to do 12 take away 9. Right? So notice 12 take away 9. I'm pretending that all of this went away, and you're just doing 12 take away 9. So the answer is actually 3. Okay? That's if that second number is bigger. All right?
Yeah, I think so. I get it.
All right, so let's do a recap. Ready? 3 tricks you had. You had what happens when it's a negative and a positive. We realized how easy that was, right? Just a simple subtraction, and you keep it negative. Or sorry, you add it and keep it negative. The next one we had is what happens when it's positive, negative, right? We showed that trick. Then we had this guy here, which got a little bit harder, but you figured it out. All right? Hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll start seeing more videos, right? Tommy, you said that you were going to sing when we got to 1,000 subscribers. We're not 1,000 subscribers yet.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, my bad.
Okay. So we'll get going on that, and you'll figure it out.
Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Okay. Hey, I miss you, and if you need help, just ask us. Okay, we'll help you. Yeah, yeah.